So we are going to start the OpenStack Helm deployment, and here is the official document for the OpenStack Helm project. It says that the command should be run from the OpenStack Helm folder, which we cloned in the /opt folder, and I'm using kind to create a Kubernetes cluster. So we are going to set up clients on the host and assemble the charts, and the command that I just copied is basically to export the variable which we are going to use. So we do not have to specify this location cd/opt/OpenStack Helm again and again. And on the second tab, I'm just going to use the command watch kubectl to watch my pods as I continue my deployment. The pods are all running and healthy. We are ready to go. So I'm going to make my first YAML file, clouds.yaml, and as you can see, it is placed in the /etc/OpenStack folder. But I'm deploying all of my YAML files and writing them in the OPT and OpenStack Helm folder itself. It won't make any difference, but it's just so that it makes things a bit easy for me. Yeah, so we're gonna build a Helm toolkit now. So we will deploy the ingress controller. So an ingress controller is basically a specialized load balancer for Kubernetes. So we're gonna make our ingress kubesystem.yaml file. Again, it asks us to make it in the /temp folder, but we are just gonna make it here. So once we make a file, then we are going to deploy it using the Helm upgrade install command. What this command does is it upgrades if we have already have the chart, but if we do not have the chart, it then installs it, and here we go. It was deployed and it's still in pending. Yeah. So we make the second file, the ingress component.yaml file. So I'll just go into the file, and actually I need to edit it. I'll put the error pages and ingress as 1. Yeah. So now we can again use the helm command to deploy it. Just a heads up, the namespace here given is OpenStack, and we have not created it till now. So I just exited the command to create a namespace. Now I'll be able to run the command. When these two are deployed, actually it is pending because they the node selectors have to be manually matched, and I'm just gonna describe it and show it to you, the error. uh, Namespace would be cube system, and as you can see down there, failed scheduling because one nodes didn't match pod's affinity node. So we can get the node name. Again, it's a single node cluster, so I'll have to make some changes from the official docs. So I'll label the node kind control plane, and the node selector is just given up there. Yeah, so it will say node labeled, I guess. Yeah, node labeled, and now the pods are initialized, and in a while they'll be running again. We are not going to be deploying Ceph as of now. So we'll move to deploying Mariadb. So Mariadb is a database management system, and it's a fork of MySQL. So first I'll make the YAML file. The pod should be running by now. So again, since it's a single node cluster, I have to put the server as one. Now I'm gonna lint and package the chart. 0 errors. So it says deployed, and right, the cluster should be the pod should be running again. So next we will be deploying Rabbitmq. All the cluster pods are running. So Rabbitmq basically is a message broker that will help my apps, in that apps that are installed in OpenStack Helm, to communicate and send and receive messages with each other. So next we'll be deploying Memcache. Yeah, Rabbitmq is deployed, so can move over to Memcache now. So next we will be deploying Keystone. It is basically an identification service that uses client authentications, etc. And in any minimal deployment of OpenStack Helm, Keystone, without Keystone it cannot be done. So Keystone is really important. It takes some time deploying Keystone. Yeah, so it is deployed, completed. Now we can move forward. So next we'll be deploying Glance. So Glance basically provides us with the images services, and again it is not advised to run a OpenStack Helm project without Glance. So again I'll have to just edit the file and set the API and registry to 1. Chart. I'll move just to this site for OpenStack.io. This provides me with some remote charts, and I thought the error may be solved by this if I clone these remote charts. And this is really a very cool project. If you open it, this really helps you to deploy OpenStack project to help you deploy the OpenStack in under 20 minutes. So the error actually here was I forgot to make and link the chart. I've done it now, and the pod is initialized and it will be running in a few seconds, I guess. Yeah, it's completed and running. So after Glance, we can we're going to leave Cinder. We'll move over to Open vSwitch. So I'll again use the Helm upgrade command. Yeah, it's deployed. Next we're going to be deploying libvirt. So libvirt and Open vSwitch are deployed now. I'll move over to Nova and Neutron. Yeah, placement will be deployed first. API to 1 and it's deployed, I guess now. Yeah. So placement we move on to Nova. Just gonna zoom out to yeah, placement and all are deployed. So on with Nova. The last time I did it, I yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. Let's set it to 2 only, and we're gonna again install and upgrade the chart. We're gonna skip the set ceph command because we have not deployed ceph. can't move up from here. I have to do it somewhere else. I'll do it. So Nova is giving some errors right now, and yeah, you actually this error needs to be dealt with by going inside some folders. I guess we'll just skip Nova for now. We move over to Neutron, and yeah, we'll just write the file for Neutron. So we're just gonna deploy the Neutron. Yeah. I guess after Neutron we are done. We'll just deploy the Horizon, that is the dashboard, and after that we can, I guess, run OpenStack project. Neutron is also completed, I guess. Yeah. So we can move on to Horizon. So the how to basically install Horizon, it's not given in the official docs. So again, I'll be using the remote charts for it, and these are just some commands which I have to put in before we go and deploy the Horizon dashboard. So I'll be copying the contents of this file from the OpenStack project. I'll just take you over there in a minute. Yeah, so we're gonna change the release name to Horizon, and so OSH was the remote charts that I cloned in earlier, and we're gonna just change the values. The namespace stays the same, and Horizon should be deployed now. Yeah, it's there. So as I have said, OSH are the remote charts that we have used, and next we have to write a file, that is the Horizon notepod file. Again, I'll just take you over there. So this was the project I was talking about, and I'll just take the notepad file from here. It's not. So we are going to be copying this. Once we're done and deployed with this, then we can just uh, apply this, and see, I did not change the namespace from OpenStack to OpenStack here, so I'll need to do that. Yeah, now we can apply. Yeah, so I'll get the internal IP there. It's running. Yeah, so all the pods were healthy, so now I can get the internal IP. I'll go back to the system, and what I am doing here is just port forwarding, and uh, yeah, enter the password. Now I'll go over to my browser, localhost 320.20. The domain will be default. The username is admin, and the password is password. And yeah, so the OpenStack here is deployed. You can see the projects, network, routers. So it's a minimal deployment. It's not completely uh, how OpenStack really is deployed. So thanks a lot. Thank you.